Hey, thanks for stopping at this channel today. In this channel, we'll talk about health strategies that could improve your productivity. Kindly subscribe to this channel to receive more content like this. Dr. Collins Ibogle is my name. I'm a clinical pharmacist. And in today's episode, we will talk about strategies that could help anyone overcome addiction. As a way of introduction, humans have a predictable lifestyle. We tend to do the same thing every day, and over time this becomes habitual or a form of addiction. Most times we don't really understand the trend except someone points it to us or we observe a significant detour. For example, there's a loss of job or financial resources, or there's a loss of something devastating, or maybe absenteeism from work. So those negative indicators might make one to rethink one's daily habits to know what one might be addicted to. Because oftentimes these are what give rise to a lifestyle. So regardless of the situation or what you might be addicted to or what you are routinely habituated to, there is a solution for you. And the solution depends on the severity of the problem and the available environment or surrounding environment, and as well as multiple factors. We're going to talk about a few of them shortly, but regardless of the strategies you take in solving the problem, you might need to first of all admit there's a problem because that is the first solution. And once you admit, you seek for help, qualified help. If the case is quite severe, there might be a need for a medical professional like a physician or a psychologist or someone trained in the science of addiction. But just know help is by the wayside. Just ask for it and you will definitely receive it. Once you adopt the plan to solve the problem, do everything you can to avoid the triggers. For example, could it be the friends you keep that lure you to engage in those kind of behavior? Or could it also be your environment or um, availability of maybe the offending substance? It could be a hard drug, it could be alcohol or something else. Do everything you can to do away with the triggers. Or maybe there is someone always saying things that make you emotionally blackmailed or bankrupt. Once you identify these triggers, avoid them. And then do everything you can to exercise. Because exercise has a way of connecting the human body to a higher spirit. Where in the world of science, you break down some excess glycogen or glucose stored in the muscle. And while you're releasing those energy via the ATP and other kinds of energy breakdown, you are being released to a higher realm of consciousness. And besides, it helps with your mental well being, your physical well being, and emotional well being as well. So, these are the third thing you may want to do to overcome addiction, whatever it might be. And once you're done with that, daily attempt to meditate. So basically, it means thinking about your end goal. Just daydream on how life will be when you overcome this problem. So as you give over time, you will be transitioned to a higher level of consciousness, a consciousness of an existing solution, a consciousness that you have overcome the challenge. That's the power of exercise. And that's the power of meditation. And after the process of meditation, do everything you can to write down what you have thought about. And that's what the experts call journaling. So the more you think in meditation and the more you write, the more you are being moved to a higher level. So these are the four things you must do in addition to seeking help qualified help. Once again, identify the triggers. Number two, do everything you can to exercise. Number three, do all you can to meditate. Think about the end goal. And number four, do all you can to journal. You write it down. So once you do this over time, you begin to move to a higher state of existing solution. It already exists, but you need to transition your body and your spirit to overcome the addiction. And with every form of affirmation, you will break that limiting belief of the addiction. Over time, you will be transitioned to the life you desired. Medical help could be in a form of drug recovery centers, it could be drug treatment centers, or talking with a physician or a psychologist if it's that severe. But we care about your health, we care about your well being. And that's the reason why we offered a free book, which you could obtain from the link below. This book contains health strategies that could improve your health as well as your productivity. Remember to subscribe to this channel to receive more content. We care about you. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Once again, Dr. Collins Aibogun is my name. We care about your health. And thank you. Have a blessed day.